founder of the drone data science company WeDoSky. Our journey started back in 2014 when I was still a drone hobbyist and I was looking for avenues to bring this technology to India. Over the last few years, we've flourished into a company that works with large industries in the solar sector, mining sector and in the insurance sector. Our partners, Tata, Adani, ACC, most of the larger companies which you would think would be using drone solutions. Along with that, we've been working with the government, helping them better analyze properties on the ground and bring value to the citizens of the country. How do you monitor your business metrics in comparison to your targets? Well, in a new technology space, when you're selling a solution that's totally new to the market or you're selling to a new market in itself, you would get zillions of options every day. There could be 10 different things that could be done with your piece of technology. So what becomes very important is saying no. More often than not, what most entrepreneurs do, which we also did at a period of time, we did not say no enough number of times. So we said yes to almost all opportunities that came to us. But what that eventually leads to is that you will do averagely in all of those opportunities. And our learning here is that if you say no to, let's say, 70% of the opportunities and focus on just 30% that you think are the real opportunities for you, for your growth, have the right revenue size, have the right growth prospects, then those 30% yeses account for the 100% of the leads that actually come to you. So 30% of yeses can actually lead to you saying no to 70% and still be fine with it. A learning that came really late to us was to use our accounting books as a mirror. Why? Because when you are building an organization, you're building a business, you're building technology, it's very easy to get lost in the perceived truth. So you need some kind of referencing to actually position yourself and your school of thoughts and your thoughts on daily basis. So that is where accounting books come very handy. So for example, you might be thinking that you're doing 10 different tasks within an industry and you're adding a lot of value to the industry. But if it doesn't eventually reflect in your accounting books the value that you're creating for your clients, then it's probably not a real value that you're creating. So now as an organization, we try to use the accounting books as a mirror for our actual progress and our actual targets being met or not. Right after you do this, the most important thing is to ask the right questions. Now that we are in the age of the internet where information is accessible by everyone and anyone, I feel that knowledge as a barrier or as a limitation is not there anymore. So there are hundreds of people who can actually advise you on how to build a great business. Most of the CXOs of the larger organizations are happy to help, give you your time, mostly for free, and help you build their organization. Your job comes down to actually asking the right questions, because if you have the right question, it will eventually amount to a right answer. So the accounting books leads to us asking questions like, was I able to achieve my monthly or the quarterly target? Why was I not able to achieve the quarterly target? Or was I able to achieve the quarterly target? If I was not able to achieve the quarterly target, did I set the wrong target? Or I did something wrong and my team couldn't reach the target for us? When you have the right questions in place, it becomes very easy to answer those questions. So I think the roadblocks for most entrepreneurs is not the answers, but the inability to frame right questions that lead you to the answers.